Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the 2 drippin' saw like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. We posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. You do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in the touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Fast you pulled in, I'm like, all right, I need something.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you arrived just in time.
Yeah.
Alright, what's up everyone? Come back with another video. We're unboxing an electric dirt bike. It's called the Surron. As you can see.
Wow.
Yo, is it green? Oh no. Nah, this is just
Trash.
That worked.
Light. Oh, here's a light.
Clean.
The mic doesn't work. Where's your...
Solid.
Now where's the key?
I guess these are mountain bike tires.
Yeah, they are.
That's crazy. We got a foot peg.
You do. Charge your phone in it.
Really?
Yeah, look.
No way.
So Joey, what, you could just charge it.
Well, your phone dies.
I'm gonna have to put on the spring and everything. Looks pretty easy. Just bolt this on.
Yeah, you just put everything on.
Let's see.
That's not the battery, it's the charger.
I mean the charger, my bad.
Don't drop that.
I'm not gonna
Please.
drop that.
Oh, here you go. Surround stickers.
Alright, man.
Here, yeah, you want to do it? Oh, you're filming, right?
We just need to tighten that.
Alright.
Remember to tighten
Couple of
that.
these. You want to help me with these bars?
Yeah, I got you.
Just so I get them a little.
I'm just gonna center them right now.
Hold up. Let me make a stand. Ah.
You already got the seat dirty.
A little taller.
Oh look, I already came in sport mode for you. Like already clicked in the sport mode.
Alright, we got a foot peg on. Cool. And this is orange too? Oh yeah. You gotta take this green shit off.
How the fuck? Oh, okay. But it's whatever. It's dirty as hell. I mean, we were just digging in a fucking.
Yeah, we were.
Bro, we were in a basement ripping out sewage pipe.
Isn't it so fun? Like you have like someone to talk to now.
Yeah, now before it's all by myself.
Yeah.
But I got a lot more shit done, I think, by myself.
Satisfying.
Well, as much cause then I stop and I fuck around a little bit more now.
Well, yeah, nah, you're gonna fuck around.
Hey man, you're supposed to put grease on those bolts.
These?
Yeah.
I got grease.
Spit on it.
Yeah.
Alright, who's got a? Is there a
Yeah, there's another Allen key.
Screwdriver?
Yeah, like this. Cause there's a. Is it a screwdriver? Let me see your Allen key.
There's Allen keys right here.
Wait, make sure it's straight, dude.
So you can always just.
I know, but it's gonna be like. Wait, the brake has to go up. Right there.
Get a dirt bike.
A new dirt bike.
Boxer.
It says release that way.
Oh, there's a gasket.
No, you don't.
You don't?
No, because you're doing it on the wrong side.
Oh, my bad. Sorry, Dad.
Sorry. Alright, we got the spacer in. Put it back in the wood. Yeah, put that bitch on 12. There you go.
Tree strap,
What?
take the, now just put it in. Put it in on that side. And then you're ready to go.
This shit's fire. Oh!
Need help?
Oh, you go that way?
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Fucking.
You're going the other way though. You're going
Get the
left.
fuck out of here.
Why is it the other way? That's so weird.
So when it rolls this way, it doesn't.
Ah.
Do not put the front tire down. I beg you, do not.
Wuss.
Dude, that thing looks scary looking. Man.
First run.
Oh my god.
Oh. He's gone. Oh my god.
Fucking ride it.
Comment below if I should get one.
I'm not gonna like this thing with crash, that's all I gotta say.
Bro, look at the crash, bro.
No.
That one's the
Yeah, it
front
is.
brake.
Oh,
2
okay.
seconds.
Oh, okay, it is. No, those. I want another one.
Oh, never mind.
You just gotta get.
I need to get the.
Because it's left hand brake.
I know.
Him.
Ooh. All right. Should we go back to work? No.
Alright, then never mind that.
Let's. I want to see if let's see if Lucy can get it. Ooh.
Oh, all you gotta do is the throttle, right?
Yeah.
That's it? Nothing else?
No, it's like a bicycle.
Oh, okay.
But just don't actually lose.
I'm not gonna crash.
Everyone that hopped on John's crashed.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
It's very like touchy apparently. Yo!
Don't throttle it.
Is it on EP or sport?
Alright, put it on EP when I ride it.
Yeah.
Don't put it on sport.
Is it on sport?
Yeah.
Bouncy. Oh my god.
Yeah. I want Lucy to ride it.
It's probably because the battery's not pushed out. It's something. It's still pretty.
Was it in sport?
No, it's an EP.
When you put it on her?
Yeah, it was
Oh.
gets on it. So I am not having Lucy go right to a car.
What?
Don't gun it, Lucy. Fucking please. She's gonna eat shit.
I'm gonna go back to work.
We gotta go back to work.
Oh, Joe, you want your bagel? Oh my god. He's so cute.
It's so weird.
Cliff,
I would get one.
actually, yeah, you're gonna get one? Oh. Cliff is like, I want one.
Bro, this like first thought is like, I want one.
want one. I cannot wait to go to work every day now. I'll wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning, get a cup of coffee and me for a rip on this
Hey
shit.
Joe, can you go to Dunkin' please? Honestly, I can. Okay, your food's in the inside.
I know. What are we doing? We're gonna go inside for a little bit? You gotta go up the steps?
Let me wheelie it real quick.
No. Try it.
Easy! To work, at least. And so we can charge in the garage.
Does that teach you already?
Yeah. Well, I was full throttling it. But I definitely need the bigger back sprocket.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Why can't my camera work?
Car.
You gotta videotape me on the work phone, at least.
Yo, Stefan, let me see that shit.
Alright, before this video ends, just letting you guys know, if you purchase one of these hoodies or the gray ones on www.onewaystefan.com, you're entered in the chance to win a C2, which is one of the bikes that I ride. So just letting you guys know, if you buy this hoodie or the gray one, you get automatically entered in the chance to win. And we're going to be customizing that bike to look like mine. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.